Hi, I'm Kelsey. I've been knitting for 10 years and I'm a member of several knitting organizations. If you've learned how to knit the knit stitch, then you've probably been able to make fabric that looks like this, with alternating rows of bumps. That's called garter stitch, and it's reversible, and it's really nice for scarves and the such. But if you want to make a sweater or something else, you're probably interested in maybe making a smooth fabric. And to do that, you have to learn the purl stitch, which is the next most basic stitch in knitting. And when you alternate rows of knitting and then purling, you get something like this, which is called stockinette, and it's really nice flat. It's a really nice smooth kind of stitch to have there. Purling is basically the opposite of knitting. You're doing it from the opposite side, and when you purl, you always want to have your yarn in front. Remember the yarn? So the yarn is in front. You've got your stitches in your left hand and your needle in your right hand. When you start by purling, you want to go into the stitch from right to left, and you'll get across like this. Then you take the yarn and you loop it over that right hand needle. So now you've got sort of two loops on that right hand needle, and then you want to take that needle and pull the loop you just made through the old loop, like so. Then slip that stitch off the left hand needle and tighten it on the right one. So I'm going to do it again for you. You take your right hand needle, go through the first stitch on the left hand needle from right to left, take the yarn, make a loop over that right hand needle, and then pull the needle back through the stitch and slip it off the left-handed needle. You do that, keep doing that, and then you're purling, and that will give you that smooth stockinette stitch. That's how you purl.